Hello, guys. Welcome to the SFC 15, the podcast in which we talk about stand-up football and cricket. My name is Shovik, and here on the screen you have Anil.
Hi guys. Hi Shovik. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. Wow.
Yeah,
you just spoke 5 minutes before.
Yes. You all must be thinking.
This is totally real, guys. This is totally real. We're just talking now.
Yeah, me and Shavik will talk like very regularly, or that we are on texting or calls and discussing comedy and stuff like ghanta, unless it's some open mic on Zoom or something like this on Zoom for our podcast. Only then we,
talk.
Otherwise,
because there is this is a quote, right? Real friends don't have to talk for so long. Oh my God!
But we are not friends, right? We are not friends. Hey, we are brothers, bro.
Oh, okay.
High five.
Sorry, I thought we are rivals. We are rivals.
No.
किसके लिए? कौन कर रहा है जिंदगी में क्या?
क्या rivalry है? वही तो. It is like Cold War for what? And neither of us have achieved anything. Okay, Shovik does a show. There are 3 tickets that have sold. I do a show. There are 3 tickets that are sold. That's it. इसके लिए क्या rivalry होगा?
There is a
So that's why we both decide together to do a show together. कि 6 लोग तो आएंगे, but तब भी 3 ही लोग आएंगे.
And तब भी 3 लोग आते हैं because I'm like, what is this? उसमें भी clash.
And
we are actually sitting in both individual rooms and we are the most interesting person in the rooms. And segue.
Very segue. Interesting segue.
And that is why only 3 people come to our shows.
Exactly.
because
this
is about the most interesting person in the room.
Okay,
it's
so
Kenny Sebastian.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Shavik.
Let's talk about stand-up, guys. And here I am, the biggest Kenny fan. You can see it's a Kenny poster over there. Yeah, I'm the biggest Kenny fan. So I was the premiere, guys, of the trailer.
That's what is the premiere, as if Kenny gave you personal tickets. Ki Shavik, come.
Yeah.
I'm recording my special. Come, we'll watch the show together. Front row seat. In fact, you open for him. Like Ghanta. I saw the premiere.
I tell you how mad Kenny.
There are 3 million other subscribers who saw the premiere.
Hey, only 1,000 people. I'll tell. I'm tell how such a big fanboy I am. I was in an office call.
Okay.
And I saw it was 10:55, 10:56, and I knew the premiere will come. So I said, excuse me, can I just go? I have some important thing to do. Just 5 minutes break. I took a break.
And then you went, and then you
saw that I was in the premiere, and then I took a screenshots of all the things. Yeah, tuck, and the premiere came. And then after 2-3 minutes, I just joined the call, and everyone said, "Hey, you were seeing the Kenny Wala video, right?"
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
No, but
like, thank you.
But in all honesty, guys, it is one amazing thing. Last podcast we were talking about Kanan Gill's special on Netflix. Now this month, it is not yet released. Kenny Sebastian special is coming on Netflix, guys.
On May 29th.
On May 29th. The special's name is The Most Interesting Person in the Room. Like Kanan's special, it was also recorded in Bangalore. And the trailer looks as usual. It's just Kenny and it is fantastic.
Dope. Yeah, now this time he has a harmonium and a guitar as
well. And simultaneously on stage, and that amazing line, just like our dreams, the harmonium also fades away. Amazing thing. But it is again very difficult to be on Netflix, and they have solo specials, guys. This is not something like like they're doing with a list of comedians jo record kar rahe 15 minute. This is solo 1 hour special for him, for Kenny and Kanan. And after 3 years of writing, touring, restructuring the set is special, all these things, Kenny Sebastian is coming out. So we will wait until May 29th. So May 29th officially.
I've taken a leave on May 29th for the morning.
Would be over in Hyderabad. So let's see. But I don't know what is the scenario.
What will you have?
What the lockdown? Oh, you don't know? Really? Yeah, your beard says everything.
It is
forever.
Going to stay for our lives.
Maybe.
Yeah.
It looks like we've gone very far. I mean, behind, not aage, due to Corona.
No. But today, true fact, I was on the roads.
You went out?
I was on the roads. Yeah.
You went out?
I have to buy groceries. Yeah, I have to buy groceries, man. Because, you are a rich person.
No. Even I went out and there were stuff, like supermarkets were there. No. No. No, dude. So there were vegetable markets and vendors and everyone there. So it is going good only. ठीक
I
ही
was
है.
sick. No. हमारे यहाँ लोग राइड पे जा रहे हैं.
Oh.
ओ बिंदास. वो खाली वो मास्क के साथ हेलमेट कोई रूल आया था ना हेलमेट लगाओ
Helmet
अगर
compulsory
लगाना
है.
है तो लगा लो.
हाँ.
Same they are treating masks also like that only.
मास्क या रुमाल
पहन के
पहन के there.
नहीं hey mask they are wearing N95
Oh.
mask अच्छा ब्रांडेड वाले खरीद रहे हैं आजकल लोग मतलब एकदम वो खरीद के खाली रोडों पे फिर रहे क्या कर रहे हैं भाई रोडों पे फिर क्या they are living in the past and by living in the past yes I will tell about we are in this podcast we're discussing about the previous football matches.
Yeah, before we go to football, one more important news in stand-up. Guys, so apart from a lot of YouTube content on Netflix only, Jerry Seinfeld special has released, guys.
Oh God,
it is
please.
called 23 Hours to Kill. Okay, and I saw the special for half an hour because I was working and stuff, and also I couldn't see it completely. But the introduction shot.
And also we were crying after that. We were like, shit. He
Yeah.
came in a chopper.
He came in a chopper. His entry was.
And
I mean, not
we
in the
are like,
studio, but
dude.
his introduction was in a chopper. It was recorded in New York in Beacon Theater. Of course, sold out audience. Jerry Seinfeld. What else do you expect? Yeah.
And
And
he will do
he will do like.
I think
small-
we have to call Jerry Seinfeld for a podcast.
Really? We can only call. He will not answer. That is what we can do. We can only call.
You can only
That's
call.
it.
You cannot receive.
He will not receive. Why will he? He is Jerry Seinfeld. So now, guys, that brings us to football. So
And
since
also one more thing. Sorry.
yeah. Go ahead.
Sorry, sir. Sorry for interrupting. Sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Shall I write an email?
Hey, no. That's okay.
No. Yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah. So there is something called YouTubers versus TikTok bolke, which is happening and moving away. So we are YouTubers actually because we are not on
We
TikTok.
want to support YouTube. Yeah, we are not on TikTok. We are on YouTube with our loyal 113 subscribers. But the YouTube community is not owning us. They say, "Hey, भोसड़ी के 13 subscriber के साथ आके what claiming are you doing?" वो Carry Minati 13 million subscriber के साथ खेल रहा है.
We also wrote an email. You know, we were like, I also created a poster saying, "Yeah, we support YouTube," and YouTube took us down. You're like, "Who the fuck are you?" Sir, हमारा भी channel है sir, हम भी हैं.
वो तुम्हारा channel है on YouTube? Really?
बंद करो. तुम बंद करो.
तुम में और
that
उनमें
is
कोई
nice.
फर्क नहीं है लाउडो. Yeah, that's going on, but it's okay, guys. अब क्या करें, किसको support करें? We
But
don't
it
know.
was
It's
very
okay.
nice. I saw the roast. The roast was
Carry
very nice.
Minati.
One of the best
I
lines
saw.
that the roast happened, and then one of the best lines Ashish Chanchlani wrote.
What?
Ashish Chanchlani, the famous YouTuber,
Yeah,
about
YouTuber,
Carrie
yeah.
Minati. Carrie Minati क्या roast किया है? तेरे वजह से 50 सब्सक्राइबर मेरे बढ़ गए.
काश यार हमारे साथ भी कुछ हो तो कोई हमको रोस्ट कर दे भाई कि हमारे भी 50 सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ जाते हैं.
सर.
तो तुम लो तो हम
अजी लवड़ा
तो टिकटॉक हम तो इंस्टाग्राम पे भी ये कर देते. तुम जहां हमको डिफेम कर
बस
रहे
वायरल बना दो सर, बस वायरल कर दो हमको.
कोई देना ही नहीं चाहता साला. ठीक है. So moving on to football. So like Shavik said, guys, we will be talking since nothing is happening about, we will relive some ecstatic football matches that happened in the past, and I'm sure football fans around the world who are watching our podcast. Yes, around the world. Wow. It's a very big term.
All over the world who are
All over
watching
the
us.
Watching
Our
us
113 friends. All over the world.
all over the world. So they will, you will definitely
Watching
relate to
us.
this. So which match should we start by? पहला मैच कौन सा देखें या कौन सा देखें? ऑब्वियसली नॉट देखें, बट पहला मैच कौन सा बताइए पहला मैच
तो
कौन
हम-
सा?
The first match is it's even worse with the coronavirus. It's the Liverpool versus Barcelona.
Last year Champions League. Okay, for this we will have 1 minute of silence. Okay. Thank you. Because as Barca fans, we only know how dreadful it was. So just to give context, So it was the semi-final, not semi-final, quarter-final of semi-final
Semi-final.
semi-final
Second
of
leg,
Champions
semi-final.
League last year. And in the first leg in camp now, we are all happy. Me,
We
Shavit,
won
Barca
3-0.
3-0. Messi
won.
scores 600 goals. 600
Yeah.
goals. और free kick. अब तो भाई 3-0 क्या ही बचा है. Cut to next leg.
And I was next leg. Match was
Liverpool.
happening. I slept.
I saw it
Like,
live.
"Hey, this is impossible. They cannot, they cannot score. नहीं भाई
ये मतलब
4
तीन
गोल नहीं
से
मार सकता
मार
कोई.
सकते हैं।
नहीं मार सकता.
वो भी बारसा के
हाँ।
अगेंस्ट. And
हाँ।
then, and highest thing, best part, लिवरपूल वर्सेस बारसा में क्या हो रहा है? मोहम्मद साला is not playing that day.
Mane also not playing.
Mane also not playing. There is
And I
Divock
thought
Origi,
that's
ये
it.
सब कोई टट्टे साले खेल
And
रहे
the
हैं.
players we didn't knew about or we
साले
didn't
ये
care
लोग मार
about.
सकते हैं. हाँ, we didn't care about.
We didn't care about. The
Okay,
good
so-
players, but didn't care.
मैच स्टार्टेड 6 मिनट में 1 गोल. ऐसे ही फर्स्ट हाफ होता है. सेकेंड हाफ में 3 गोल.
First half हो जाता है. Anil calls me at 60th minute जब there is a massacre going on in Anfield. It
Yes,
was a
yes.
massacre. And he
Exactly.
calls me and he says, "Toot, देख क्या हो रहा है?" I'm like, "Toot, क्या हो रहा है?" Goal.
इस गूगल नोटिफिकेशन
Goal.
में टैली की गोल सही में.
Goal.
And then
God.
साले dude, you remember
And वो
the penalty?
3 all होता है and I thought कि okay 3 all होगा okay and then that corner comes.
हाँ वो कॉर्नर साला घोसड़ी. I mean, dude, Alexander
I'm
Arnold.
really scared of corners.
कॉर्नर किक्स ना हो कि एक तो साला ये तो चीटिंग था भाई. है ना?
क्या
कि एक
था
तो
वो?
बहुत सारा
ये क्या था वो?
क्या साले
The hell,
ऑडियंस
bro?
हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा. ग्राउंड पे क्या घंटा समझ
Yeah.
आएगा लोगों को.
हाँ.
Messi
I was-
shot time like PK is
fuck?
like in
Messi-
silence. He's like, what the hell is happening here?
Messi was saying, "Fuck, he doesn't even know. He doesn't even know how to speak in English, but he was saying, what the fuck? Puta. How could this happen? Puta. PK, tu sana puta. PK साले captain बन
PK
गया.
chinga madre. Puta chinga
captain बना
madre.
रहे थे.
Puta. It's like that. All that stuff.
Puta. And you were like, dude,
Oh my
even we were
God.
saying puta for some reason.
But that hit me very emotionally, man. Because that time we were looking ki, see, we literally did not lose any game in Champions League. The only game we drew once against Inter Milan. एक मैच
Yeah.
हारे सीधे बाहर. तो मतलब आई वाज लिटरली लग रहा था कि वो ला लीगा तो जीत गए. ट्रेबल वाला सीन चल रहा था कि कोपा डेल रे भी जीतेंगे और ये चैंपियंस लीग भी. बट साला सिर्फ ला लीगा हाथ आया. कोपा डेल रे गया और चैंपियंस
बदल से भी गया.
इतनी बुरी तरह गया.
बहुत इतना बुरी तरह गया. मतलब उसके बाद like it will be written and this Liverpool fans were very good. I agree. But इतना भी नहीं करना चाहिए यार. What is this? What is you were celebrating anniversary?
आज तक
अभी तक anniversary celebrate कर रहे थे लोग.
लास्ट ईयर
We remember what happened in Barca.
Oh, sorry.
We never forget what happened in Barca. We also never
We want to forget but we cannot forget.
तुम भूलने नहीं देते सालो. तुम भूलने नहीं देते हमको.
अब
You
क्या
know,
करे भाई.
You
क्या
never
करे?
walk alone. We
You
want
never
to
walk
walk
alone.
alone.
Yes, you left us alone in Anfield. साला. और सबसे बड़ी बात एक बात बता मेरे को. See, any team comes and they play with 11 players. These fuckers they play with 40,000 players, dude.
हाँ.
और ऊपर से साला जेरार्ड बैठा रहता है ऊपर से.
और ऊपर ऐसा
स्टेडियम में. हाँ ऐसा बैठ के वो मॉडल चेहरा ऐसा बैठ के देखते रहे. आधा जेरार्ड का प्रेशर साला.
and उसका आधे लिवरपूल के फैंस ऐसा
लास्ट साल वो भी गोल पोस्ट के पीछे रहते हैं.
ओके calm down.
देख एवरी स्टेडियम यू गो, एनी स्टेडियम इन द वर्ल्ड, बार्सा कैंप नाउ, बर्नाब्यू, टॉटनहम का, यूनाइटेड का, किधर भी, ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड, देयर इज लाइक होम फैंस एंड अवे फैंस के लिए एक सेपरेट रहता है. मेरे को एनफील्ड में समझ में नहीं है कि अवे फैंस
एनफील्ड में बोथ कैटेगोरिकली डिवाइड किया गया है, वो होम फैंस एंड अवे फैंस के लिए. होम फैंस पूरा स्टेडियम, अवे फैंस
आउटसाइड,
अवे टीवी
या फिर यू नो दे आर कमिंग एज अवे फैंस, अंदर आते आते दे बिकम होम फैंस की भाई टी-शर्ट देके प्रेशर में कन्वर्ट हो गए. I'm in Barca.
You never
Okay,
walk
okay, I'm
alone.
in Liverpool now. I
You
walk
never
in
walk
Barca.
alone.
Yeah, I walk in Barca. I walk out Liverpool. Oh, you never walk alone.
कुछ है वो स्टेडियम में जो
No doubt, yeah.
फैन
And
बना
फिर-
देगा.
No doubt. तो साला यहाँ हम देखे देखे टेम्प्ट हो जाते हैं. दूसरे का ये क्या साला? And that Gerrard moment, all that thing. Oh my God, man. So now that we've talked about Gerrard, let's talk about the next most interesting, one of the best matches in Champions League history, in Liverpool's history. Right,
And when
2005.
I became the fan, we all became fan of Gerrard.
That day. No, I mean, yes, definitely
That-
not. I mean, today's Liverpool fans also, a lot of people who are back from that time, 100% bol raha hu, you will be fans because of that moment. Maybe that moment might have made you. The match we are talking about is the Champions League final, Liverpool versus AC Milan. 2005 tha shayad na? So,
Yes.
just to give you guys again context ki bahut log ko shayad na malum ho. The thing is,
Okay.
why Champions League final, it is happening in Istanbul. Okay? So
For
AC
some
Milan,
reason. For
for
some
some
reason in
reason,
Istanbul.
so
For some reason.
it's Liverpool versus AC Milan, and in first half,
And not
Milan
this AC Milan. AC Milan
AC
was
Milan
running
was like
away. AC
Kaká,
Milan.
Shevchenko,
Kaká.
Beckham, and
हाँ.
all those people. तो उसमें AC Milan में भाई AC Milan after first half are leading 3-0. और तब तक सबको लग रहा है कि ये साल
And the
Champions
goals
League-
also मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब
Killer
गोल
goals,
ट्राई
मतलब class
करके
goals
गोल
थे.
मार रहे थे लोग.
हाँ.
गोल हो जा रहे थे अपने आप गोल हो जा रहे थे.
For 3 goals, dude. 3 goals. 3 goals, man. And then
Goals in first
half time. Half time के बाद ये लोग आते हैं. After half time comes, I don't know what happens. I don't know what happens. पता नहीं कौन सा
Something
माल
happens.
फूके. Gerrard
Something
scores
happens.
one goal. उधर से turning point.
Goal.
खत्म. Gerrard is
It is
like he's
like
asking the crowd to cheer. Yeah, he's asking the fans to back them up.
And again Liverpool
And
fans, you
मतलब
plus तुम लोग कहाँ भी go
कहाँ
anywhere,
मतलब
you go
वो-
to Antarctica, there are Liverpool fans.
No,
You
no.
never walk
It's
alone.
like 2 minutes का you forget it is Istanbul. 2 minutes के बाद तुमको लगता है it is Anfield.
Oh yeah, Anfield है.
Oh, it's like AC Milan is also परेशान. काका यहाँ देख रहा हो भैंचोद ये Anfield कहाँ से आ गया यहाँ पे करके.
ये कहाँ
सब
से
लाल
आ
में
गया?
you'll never walk alone. ये सब
We
चल
have
रहा
such
है.
a bad music taste we have.
But after that 3-1, 3-2, 3-3. And then eventually the
Oh,
game
God.
goes on to penalties and Liverpool win the Champions League. Their first major trophy in a long time. उसके पहले लीग भी नहीं जीत पा रहे थे बेचारे. But that boosted Liverpool, man. That boosted
That
Liverpool.
boosted the concept of football only. How could anyone
That
do
comeback.
like this? What is
That
this?
comeback. Yes.
What is this comeback? Even now, man, when I watch that match, I always think, even though I know the consequence of the match, what happened. When I see 3-0, I'm like, ये हार गया Liverpool.
हाँ.
No one can believe this. can
Believe
happen.
that Liverpool
This
came back
Liverpool
from
people,
that.
that is why I guess Liverpool, they do something which is impossible. Like, they come back with that.
Yeah.
They can't do that.
100%.
That is why
You don't know some person is doing or some black magic they're doing. You don't know what they're doing. Bloody hell.
Yes.
साला समझ में नहीं आता.
Magic.
हाँ साला समझ में नहीं आता.
Red
ये है
magic.
वो है चल रहा है. So okay ये हो गया. Next match Champions League के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो last year you know what happened after that Barca Liverpool defeat मैं तो एकदम I was broken. तो अब क्या है Champions League में interest भी उड़ गया. अब लग ही रहा था कि लिवरपूल ही जीतेगा. And the next semi-final that was
और
happening
जो
was
हुआ,
और जो हुआ उसके बाद the next semi-final that was happening was Tottenham versus Ajax. So
I didn't
अब
watch
तक-
guys.
I
saw
did
it
watch.
on only highlights because Anil
Yeah.
got देख मैच देख I've left football.
Literally guys that was the feeling we had कि भाई अब फुटबॉल ये साल ये सीजन तो गया अब अगले सीजन ही देखेंगे हम. और तब you know the ironically Barca still won the La Liga but अंदर से वो खुशी आ नहीं रही थी क्योंकि क्या घंटा किसके
नहीं.
साथ जीते.
और
रियल पे
points
रोनाल्डो के
का
पास
difference
13-17 पॉइंट का तो डिफरेंस था
भी अच्छा
साला.
था. The point difference was also very
Like
good.
17 or 19.
Like they-
It's like, but there was
हाँ.
no sting कि वो मजा नहीं आया कि जीत रहे हैं करके. We are like Champions League treble मजा आएगा इस बार. Then after that Tottenham versus Ajax match, second leg guys. Second leg. Even I was not watching. मैं यार क्या चलो अब सीधा finally देखें थे light. तो सबसे पहले क्या होता है? Ajax are leading 2-0. I mean they won 1-0
Yes.
in the first this thing. 2-0 they're leading in the first half. So my friend who's watching, he just sent me the score. Ajax are leading 2-0. I'm like, Ajax final जाएगा, Liverpool versus
very
Ajax.
good for them.
Liverpool जीतेगा, बस बहुत बढ़िया, खत्म हो गया. It is a boost for Ajax कि चलो कम से कम बहुत सालों बाद finals में आए, खत्म. After that, what happens? What the fuck happens after that? What happens after that? भोसड़ी के? Did you hear
No one
of this
knows.
guy called Lucas Moura before that?
No.
Did you fucking hear of that guy before that? उसके पहले तेरे को मालूम था क्या उसका नाम क्या है? वो खेलता भी है क्लब में करके. हाँ, घंटा साला टॉटनहम वालों को नहीं मालूम था.
उसको पता नहीं था ये कौन था.
But
ये कब आया?
कि भाई 3-0 मतलब on aggregate 3-0 से 3-1, 3-0 से 3-2, यहाँ तक ठीक था. 3-0 से 3-1, 3-0 से 3-2 हुआ. Like literally the last kick of the game, bro. Last kick of the game, dude.
That's it. What was
Last
that?
kick of the game,
What
and
was
it is a goal. और उसके बाद the reaction, man. Commentator रो रहा है, उनका coach रो रहा है. Harry Kane is not playing.
मैं रो रहा हूँ. I
Exactly.
don't know for some reason I am crying.
For some reason, even we were crying. We were like, भाई Tottenham मतलब they found their moment. And maybe like बहुत सारे Tottenham fans को तब लगा होगा कि you know a lot of people might have become Tottenham fans उस match के बाद maybe.
And then suddenly everyone bought jerseys of Tottenham. Like,
हाँ,
पता नहीं है spelling कर भी सकता है. Kane. जब तक हमको Kane
तब तक Kane
का
WWE
पता
का
था.
मालूम था. तब बाद में पता चला Harry Kane फुटबॉल का है ऐसा.
Like, who is this?
But Harry Kane आया, and then of course Kane is a fabulous player, no doubt. लेकिन भाई वो मैच तो भूल नहीं सकते. And then literally that brought back us into the Champions League. कि भाई चलो अब फाइनल देखेंगे, मजा आएगा. अल्लाह लग तो रहा था कि लिवरपूल. So okay, this is what happened.
People, viewers.
This is what happened.
We thought, okay, I'll tell the history. I thought this is a Liverpool match versus Tottenham. We thought we will see a Champions League match on a big screen. I thought, अरे Liverpool इतना भी मतलब okay है, but इतने भी fans नहीं आएंगे. So we went. The match is at 10:11. We went at 9:30.
Yeah, 12:30.
12:30, and we went and आराम से dinner करके
9 साढ़े 9 बजे जाएंगे.
You know, we'll just stand there and we'll sit there and we'll watch.
We went to a drive-through basically बड़ा screen पे screening देखने के लिए.
And we go at 9:30. The place is full. People are like coming with cars and with those Gerrard ke posters, with Gerrard Pro flyers, and Gerrard is not even playing. So with all this.
I mean, the entire place was red, dude. Banners बांध के रखे थे ना.
They bought crackers.
They bought crackers. The entire place was
crackers.
red. Everyone was wearing Salah, Mane, Gerrard. There were kids and
And there was
families,
two,
couples.
and there were two people who were Manchester United fans.
Failed.
And they came
One
like,
guy was
oh,
wearing Glory Man United का t-shirt पहन के आया था वो.
Glory Man United. Every time Tottenham was very close to score a goal. Oh, United. Oh,
And they were very selective. Like there may be 5 to 7 Tottenham fans. Okay, so हम दोनों इतने कमीने for the entire first
we thought
half
we have to give them support.
Liverpool करे. Second half suddenly
First half.
Tottenham started playing well, dude. Second half Tottenham अच्छा खेल रहा था. Tottenham कर रहे थे.
After
इतना
80th
घटिया
minute, we
किया.
knew कि after 85th minute we knew कि अरे they will win. Liverpool will win. So suddenly we went to the Liverpool side. We are Liverpool. Hey Liverpool, yes, Salah.
So they were celebrating. Oh Salah, yes Salah. We were doing all that.
Yes, Salah. Yeah, yo, bro. We
But
are
memorable
Liverpool,
thing,
bro.
man. Memorable thing.
Memorable
कि
thing.
बहुत memorable
Very
moment
nice
था.
match.
So अपना
And
अगला
now
match.
so there is no memory like that.
And of course, अभी तो बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते. But the next match that we want to talk about is one of the best matches in Champions League history. One of the best matches that started up a rivalry. One of the best matches that made one guy a legend. I mean, both the guys legends basically. The match I'm talking about is the 2010 Champions League semi-final. Inter Milan versus Barcelona. So it was not Inter versus Barca. It was basically the war between two men. Between Mourinho and Guardiola.
and Real Madrid.
No, no.
किसको साइन करेंगे इसके बाद? किसको साइन करेंगे?
Final was in
Because they were
Bernabeu.
so scared because
Final was in Bernabeu. That year, Champions
Real
League
Madrid
final was
would have
in
done
Bernabeu.
everything. Even if Barca would have won the match, they would have killed the entire Barcelona team because they don't want the Barcelona to come in. They would have said either they would have burned, they have blasted the entire
Yes,
stadium.
so
They
Barca
stadium ही नहीं है
was in the
बस. Stadium ही नहीं है हमारे पास.
क्या बात है? Really? मतलब
Stadium-
that year Madrid would have done anything क्योंकि फाइनल्स
Anything.
मैड्रिड में था बर्नाब्यू में और सेमीज में खेल रहा था इंटर और बारसा एंड फॉर ऑब्वियस
Barca.
रीजन द एंटायर
And Barca was playing really good, but the Barca was top of the game at that time.
Until
And the
then.
legend players, Barcelona का legend team.
Xavi,
Spain
Iniesta.
का आधा team, Spain का आधा team,
मेसी
Spain
स्पेन का आधा टीम
पूरा
प्लस
भी-
मेसी हाफ स्पेन
Messi.
प्लस मेसी वो था
And
उधर
then Guardiola. Yo,
and Guardiola the puta the Mourinho senior Jose the Mourinho senior Jose
So pass the ball.
possible take the ball possible take the ball possible and Mourinho is like
Goal.
ta Mourinho is like that shit but उसके बाद bro first leg Inter Milan में होता है मैच 3-1 they win and the second leg happens in Barca where they lose 1-0 but on aggregate they win 3-0 उसके बाद Mourinho का celebration
And
Inter
then
का
there is a
celebration.
marathon.
क्या celebration था in fact you know if you read about the match or if you watch YouTube videos on that there are a lot of historical things that happened like you know Barca वाले literally to cut down their celebrations they turned on the water machines on in the ground कि ये लोग हट जाए ये वो करके so Mourinho से पूछते you know why the Barca management decided to do that you know why you wanted to you know how do you feel about it are they jealous are they bad losers no they did the right thing because our bodies were full of Barca blood so they had to clean it with what the fuck bro so but guys yeah anyways the next year Guardiola
It's a
won the
great
Champions
match.
League it was a great
And then after 2 months
after we see Real Madrid
Jose Mourinho becomes the Real Madrid manager. How did it happen? We don't know.
why we don't know कि मतलब
How did it happen?
Inter Milan phase versus audition
Yeah.
audition for Real Madrid manager okay Real Madrid made like this Champions League is reality TV हम घर बैठ के देखेंगे कि क्या हो रहा है who is
और
better
क्या
for the
रैंप
role
किया Jose Mourinho ने?
कि कौन बनेगा रियल मैड्रिड का अगला मैनेजर वो
But-
सेमीफाइनल में डिसाइड हो गया कैंप नाउ में
पर सबसे अच्छा था कि Inter Milan team was celebrating at
हाँ.
one place. He is celebrating other.
अदर
अलग ही
मतलब
अपने
ये
से-
कैंप नाउ में ये and then that
ये-
montage shot he's standing there like this and वो कैमरा ऐसा
हाँ.
okay oh god epic
And
scene
everyone
था.
is like, dude, why? Team आया है?
मत बोल टीम पे मैं टीम को मैंने बनाया है मैंने बट दैट इज
मैंने बनाया.
ओरिजिनल
कभी सुना था ये.
कि इंटर मिलान चैंपियंस लीग
जिसे-
जीतेगा भोसड़ी के
कभी सुना था
हम
ये.
आए
नहीं ना.
हम बनाए हैं but you really remember that no it's classic Mourinho thing yo the team played very well the team I made them play very well the team what are you talking
Who are
about
they?
I am the
What are you talking
team
about?
I am the team I am the team I am the team I'm the
I am
special
the
one
team.
I'm the special one today Harry Kane played very well Son played very well who's Son who is Harry Kane I played well today
Who taught them?
classic Mourinho dude. See, in managers that is Mourinho and in players that is Zlatan.
Oh my God.
In players that is
Please don't
Zlatan.
even say that. मतलब इतना स्वैग आदमी बोला स्पेनियल बोल के बंदा जाता है
बंदा इटली
में
को
खेलने.
चूत.
What is this?
I mean पूरा
We were
इसलिए
like-
स्पेन में कोरोना आ गया इटली में कोरोना आ गया दोनों टीम पर कंट्रीज की क्या करे हम साला because इटली स्पेन मर
And we
रहा
were
है
like, अरे कौन सा
Exactly,
टीम में
dude.
आएगा स्पेन
See,
में which team will he come,
रियल
which
मैड्रिड
team
ही
will
विल
he
नॉट गो
go?
फॉर श्योर बारसा उसको लेगा नहीं लग रहा था कि
नहीं
एथलेटिको
चाहिए नहीं चाहिए बादशाह में नहीं चाहिए one more player to sit on the bench क्या क्या how many no cool buddy no issues.
oh my god but
डेविले के पास पैसा नहीं है
हाँ वही तो फिर साला
डियागो कोस्टा को लिया उतना
ये
ही
बहुत बड़ी
पैसा
बात
उनके
है।
पास.
हाँ।
नहीं एटलेटिको मैड्रिड के पास
बस
they
कोस्टा
have
है
this
बस
Diego
आ गया
Costa. They are the
एक
पक्का
बैल
कोस्टा
काफी है।
player जो
एक बैल काफी है टीम के लिए हाँ एक
And
wrestling
दूसरा
करता
teams
है.
we don't know the announce. We don't know how they spell the other teams. So we
Real A, Real B, Real C, Real no one cares. बस
and no one cares about.
यही है.
And then he
But
goes to the Milan,
Milan club,
but not
AC
the good
Milan.
one. Not the good one. What is this?
Because Zlatan wants
No.
to go where he will. I mean, he will make AC Milan
Where he
what
will,
it was.
where he will sit for 70 minutes.
But dude, he pulls it up, bro.
the pavilion.
साला 20 मिनट में भी आके वो क्या गोल्स मारता है, dude. वो तो बिलीव करना पड़ेगा, bro. 70 मिनट बेंच पे बैठ के भी
गोल्स
once he's
मारता,
on.
हाँ, गोल्स मारने के बाद यूट्यूब के लिए वीडियोस भी देता, उसके बाद वायरल वीडियोस भी देता, क्योंकि गोल्स भी है, उसके बाद वो थप्पड़ वाले भी देता, तो सब कुछ कंटेंट देके वो 20 मिनट में कंटेंट देके आधा बंदा.
हाँ, मतलब 70 मिनट is बेकार.
कंटेंट ही want.
20 minutes I will give
तेरे
you.
को content चाहिए ना भाई, तेरे को
Newspaper,
content चाहिए ना.
podcast, सब मैं दूंगा.
सब में एक फोटो अच्छा है कैसा, वो फर्स्ट भाई शर्ट ओपन करते कि नहीं वो स्टैटू का फोटो अच्छा रहता,
और
फोटो भी आया था.
ये
हाँ,
और
एक थप्पड़ मार जाता लोगों को फाड़ बोल के, कंटेंट में मिल जाता वायरल. टॉप 10 Zlatan moments.
not one is good.
बनते जा रहे हो.
They keep
goal
updating,
मारता हो.
updating.
So that is good. 20 minutes I get the content, खत्म. That's it. How much you want? पूरा खेलूंगा क्या गधा है क्या?
We should invite him on our podcast, dude. That will be awesome.
You don't invite Zlatan to podcast.
Podcast goes to Zlatan.
Zlatan joke, guys. Please come to our shows.
Okay, so enough about football. Now we are running short of time क्योंकि भाई जितना रिकॉर्ड होगा उतना एडिट करना है. ठीक है. Let's
Zlatan
talk
won't come to
about
edit.
Zlatan, why will he edit, dude?
Zlatan edit Zlatan.
Edit will edit Zlatan. Okay, so next about cricket. So cricket में क्या है कुछ बताएं.
For some reason, I just saw today कि cricket में टेस्ट में ऑस्ट्रेलिया is number 1 bro.
घंटा साला.
Did
What
he even
different does it mean? No, I don't know.
Did he even play?
Australia
When did he
comes
play?
to-
अब कौन सा player change हो?
ये रेटिंग कहाँ से हो गया मालूम? After that prime documentary, the test on Australia.
I guess they're voting now. भाई ICC वाले वोट देके दिखा रहे हो.
Audience poll, चलो लो. Who's the
Audience
top
poll.
team in the world?
Number one.
Australia.
I
So-
was so cricket में ज्यादा कुछ updates नहीं है because
कुछ नहीं, obviously. So that
we
is
are coming the next podcast guys. Moments, we have a lot of cricket moments because I am a huge cricket fan and this guy was always a very rich fellow.
No. So guys,
This is
since
a
there is
baseball
nothing
fan.
much to talk, there is nothing much to talk about
Baseball.
sports. We decided कि every week on the podcast या जब भी हम record कर रहे हैं, we will take some topics. See, आज football में we decided some matches. So the next time or the next time we'll discuss some other maybe the best players or some managers or something like that. And so the next podcast we're gonna do, we'll be doing it on cricket completely. We'll tell the updates, but we'll live some amazing Indian cricket moments. Okay,
Yes.
from our childhood. And ऐसा नहीं कि
childhood.
Royal Challengers Bangalore साला पहली बार हार के IPL में रो रहे हैं हम लोग. All that. We'll
What is
relive.
this? RCB always हारेगा और CSK always जीतेगा. CSK wins every final.
मतलब CSK is there invariably in final. CSK wins also.
Yeah, like English Premier League also they can win.
Yeah, they can win. Next year they will go. Like, see, basically CSK is like कि मतलब they can win. They won treble. They won वो सब कुछ. UEFA Cup, Copa del Rey, Copa Chennai, Copa India, Copa Maharashtra, Copa ये, Copa वो.
And there is El Clasico of India, na?
कौन सा Mumbai versus Chennai भाई?
We have to talk about that. We have to reach about that, but we'll talk about it
We'll
in the
talk
next
about that in the
podcast.
podcast. Okay, so guys, that was it from this podcast of SFC 15, where we spoke about our amazing football matches that we had. So there'll be more podcasts now that we're in the lockdown. We'll try to record as much and try to connect with you guys as much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you so much for supporting. We all hope you are at home. We all hope you are safe, doing well in this lockdown. So stay home, stay safe, do not go out until it is very necessary. Aram se masti karo, enjoy karo, and keep watching our podcast. And please, guys, प्लीज इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं हम लोग, इन दिस लॉकडाउन ऑल्सो, ये करके वो करके edit
This Sunday, guys. We're working on Sunday also.
We are recording on Sunday,
Please.
so please subscribe, like, share, and subscribe to our channel SFC15. And you can also check out our channel, our handle on Instagram with the same name, SFC15. So please subscribe to the channel, guys. There'll be more amazing content. There'll be more stand-up videos also of me and Shavik coming out, and hopefully we'll try to work on some collaborations also. Okay. We'll try to get in some more comics, some more football fans and stuff. So until then, my name is Anil. He is Shavik. We are SFC15 together. Take care, guys. Stay
Guys.
home, stay safe.
Yeah, I know 3 people are still staying. Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.